Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make ribbon pakoda. This is a very crispy and delicious snack recipe. This ribbon pakoda is usually made during festive season. You can store it in an 8-8 container and enjoy it for 2 weeks time. It's very easy to make and an instant recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of rice flour, half cup of gram flour, a tablespoon of powdered roasted Bengal gram, half teaspoon of black sesame seeds, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of salt, a pinch of Asafoetida or hing, and 2 tablespoons of hot oil. Mix all the ingredients with a spoon. Make sure all the ingredients are well spread. Then start to add little water at a time and mix it well. Now we have a very smooth dough and the dough is in perfect consistency. So let's go and make the ribbon pakoda. I've taken a Murukku maker. To this, fix a ribbon pakoda attachment. Fill in the dough and press a little and check the flow. The flow is smooth, so let's go and fry the ribbon pakoda. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot and make ribbon like pakodas. Let this fry for 2 minutes in high flame. After 2 minutes, flip it to the other side and let this again fry for 2 more minutes in high flame. Now both sides are nicely done and crispy, so let's now remove it. Now our delicious and crispy ribbon pakoda is ready. You can serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Store it in an 8-8 container and you can enjoy for 2 weeks time. Very easy, delicious and an instant recipe. So do try this ribbon pakoda for this Diwali and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.